Hello everyone, welcome to Safi Tuts, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download Twitter video in your PC or Windows. So you can see this is the Twitter page, so you have to choose a video which video you're going to download. So I'm going to download this one, so simply click the right button, tap on the drive, and then you can see copy video address. Okay, simply click on that. Once you click on that, then it's copied. Now open the another tab and search here is Twitter. Okay, is 3 is and Twitter, and then you can see Twitter video downloader, and go there and paste it here. Click on your right button and you can see paste. Simply click on paste and click download. So download video, so you'll see the resolution, which resolution you want to download. So I'm just going to download this one, the first one. Simply click on that, and then you can see start download. Simply click on that, and it takes few time to download in your according to your internet speed. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.